I'm going to show you a Better Discord plugin that allows you to specifically get notifications for keywords in the chat. For example, if someone types your name, perhaps, you'll get a notification about it. So to start off, you need Better Discord. Now, this is very important. Better Discord is against Discord's terms of service. Using this gives you the chance of being banned. Now, this plugin is from betterdiscord.app, which means that your chances are really low. But once again, it is against the terms of service, and you do have a chance of being banned. So keep that in mind. All you need to do is click the download button to download it, pretty self-explanatory, and while it's downloading, go to the second link in the description, then click on the download button, and you will be downloading the KeywordTracker plugin. All you need to do is click keep on it, so it keeps the plugin. Click on the Better Discord-Windows installer if you're on Windows. If you're on Mac, it should have a Mac installer. It's gonna work for you, but the main point is you just need to read the license agreement upside down, backwards, right to left, then click next, then click install Better Discord, click next. You need to choose your Discord version. On this specific computer, I have Discord PTB installed and Discord Canary installed. If you just have the normal Discord version installed, you just need to click on that, but just click on the one that you can click on that's closest to the top, and chances are you'll probably get the right one. Click install, and now it will install Better Discord. Now, the installer should restart your Discord, and it should pop up with this massive menu in your face saying Better Discord v 1.1.1. Press X on it, then go to your user settings, then scroll down and click on plugins, then click open plugins folder, and it will open up a folder behind Discord, so minimize Discord, and now you have these two folders. Drag the plugin file from your downloads into the plugins folder, and if you go back to Discord, it should automatically open up, and it needs to install a library. So click download now, and what it will do is download Zeri's plugin library. All you need to do is enable that plugin library, then enable KeywordTracker. Then once you enable the plugin, press Ctrl and R to restart Discord, and hopefully at the end of it, you should get a pop-up saying KeywordTracker and all this fancy stuff that's close enough. Click X on that, and now just go back to your user settings, scroll down, go to plugins, then you can click on these settings for KeywordTracker. Now in the settings, you have two main categories, keywords and channels. I'm going to start off with keywords, and keywords, this is where we actually input the words that we want to get notifications for. So it says 1 regex per line, regular expression, aka each line put something you want notifications for. So in my case, I'm going to do NTTS because a lot of people say that, and a lot of people also say that that as well, and another one that's pretty good. That's usually what I want notifications for because that's where I get a lot of messages from. Then go to channels, and then this is where you can choose the channels that you want. So in this case, I don't want to hear it from League of Legends because that's basically the whole entire server, not the test server, not Valorant, not Rainbow Six, not official Fortnite. Just enable the server that you actually want to listen to, aka search the keywords for. So I'm going to do Dimsdale Dimmadome, then click done. Now, like I said before, in this actual server, if I just type random stuff, nothing should pop up. So random stuff, no notification. And now if I do NTTS, oh, I got a notification despite the actual server being muted, as you can see. So this is fantastic. This allows you to override and fully customize your own notifications for each Discord server. So now I can type in something like, and it'll pop up, the keyword got matched, but if I type it differently, it will not pop up. So keep that in mind. You will have to make sure the punctuation is correct. I personally think it'd be great for a name, a business name, or maybe if you're trying to snipe my ideas from my Discord server, you could search up idea. And if anyone says idea on the Discord server, then there you go. You get the notification and you're first to the press, baby. I want pictures of Spider-Man. Damn it, I want them now. And that wraps up the installation portion of the video. If it worked, like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel even further, just turn off your ad blocker when you watch my videos. And if for some odd reason it didn't work out for you, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section or join my Discord and put your issue in the help channel, and I will help you out as soon as I can. Now let's get on to the uninstall portion of the video. Alright, I got a little too worked up there, but for the uninstall portion of the video, all you need to do is make sure the Better Discord installer is closed, go back into your downloads, then double click on the installer. It will open up the installer, and we have to read the license agreement. Psych. Click next, then click uninstall Better Discord, click next, and click on the Discord version you installed it to. Remember, I installed it to the PTB, so I'm going to click on PTB and click uninstall. And now, once I click close, Discord will restart in the background. And now, if I go into my Discord settings on the bottom left, you will see that I do not have Better Discord in my settings anymore. And that's how you uninstall it, cutie pie. Man, I'm going to set my keyword as banana bread recipe on every single server because I want the best banana bread recipe. It always turns out oh so dry. please save me. Mwah.